Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to list an item on eBay. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then tap Selling section at the bottom side of your screen, and then tap press List an Item button. Here eBay offers you some steps how to do it. And the first step is to share item details, details such as brand, model of your product, or unique information. Then you need to find a match. That means you need to find a matching product from the eBay's catalog to find similar items. And the last step, you need to edit your listing and eventually upload it so that it will be available to everyone. For example, I need to sell Bluetooth speaker. It's, for example, here it is, Bluetooth speaker. And here eBay will suggest categories and similar listings. For example, I have this Marshall speaker and I want to sell the same because I have the same one. I need to click on it. And here you need to choose the condition of your item, so it can be new, open box, used, and some parts are not working. So for example, if I have a new item, it depends of course on your product. Okay, so here is the editing section. And here you can edit your listing. So you can add photos of your item. Here, add photos. Then you can edit the title of your product, category of your product, condition, item specifics, write a detailed description, and here you can set the pricing. And of course shipping, and some preferences. Okay, so when you are done with editing your listing, you need to eventually list your item by pressing this button, but you can view your listing in the preview option. So here's the preview of your listing. That's how other users will see your product. But for example, if you want to save your listing as a draft, you need to press Save for Later button. So if you don't want to upload your listing right now and you want to do that sometime later, you can use this option. But if you want to upload it now, click this button, list your item, and now your listing will be available to other users on eBay. So I think that's all for me. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.